A multi-million-pound grant to help Tata Steel transition to greener production at its Port Talbot site in South Wales has just been announced by the government. Changes would lead to the loss of up to 2,800 jobs. Our Wales correspondent, Hywel Griffith, is at Port Talbot. Hywel, what more do we know about the announcement?
Well, Lewis, has been made within the last hour. £500 million from the government as a grant towards the building of a new electric arc furnace. It is almost exactly a year ago since this deal was first mooted between Tata and the then Conservative government. Essentially, it means the end of those big blast furnaces you see behind me, the old coal-fired technology, which emits far more carbon into the air, but supports essentially thousands more jobs. So the closures of those two furnaces, the second closing later this month, will mean a total of 2,800 jobs going for Tata's workforce here in the UK, most of those jobs here in Port Talbot. And so while many of those workers will have foreseen this coming, it is, according to Gary Smith, the General Secretary of the GMB, still a very sobering day for the workers.
We welcome the fact that Labour has adopted a lot of the plans from the trade unions around reskilling and training. But let's be under no illusions, this is a huge, it's got a huge impact for the Port Talbot community and for steel production in the UK. And thousands of jobs are going to go, a community is going to be hollowed out, and we are going to see reductions in our emissions in the UK, huge reductions in our carbon emissions, but at what price?
Well, while Labour criticised this deal a year ago, it has been stressing today it's a new deal with far better terms for the workers, better redundancy packages, the offer of payment for training. However, the future here for workers in Port Talbot does look essentially bleak, as many will finish their work here within the month.
All right, Hywel, thank you.